Hello student, today we are going to discuss cybercrime and information security. Okay, so in last lecture we discussed the things which are related to the cybercrime. The crime which is to be performed with the help of smart devices, smart electronic devices or cyberspaces. That crime is called as cybercrime. Okay, the crime, another way we say that the crime which is to be performed with the help of cyberspaces. In that category, uh, the computers, then smartphones, then electronic gadgets are came. Okay, now what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss cybercrime and information security. First of all, we discuss that what is information. Okay, so information is nothing but the collection of relevant database. Okay, now what is data or database? The data is nothing but the actual available facts that can be recorded and have some implicit meaning. Okay, particular particular string, statistics, these are the data. But that statistics, that details, that information, that string is related to particular person, that that thing is called as information. Okay, so what we say that the information of a student, information of a employees. Okay, just in this way. Now this information which is to be stored on the computer in a digital format, that is 0 and 1 format. Okay, and hackers or unauthorized user try to access this information. Okay, by accessing this information, in last lecture we are already discussed, he tried to what we can say that cybercrime against a person. In that category he tried to what we can say that he's tried to take the financial benefit, okay, from that victim. Okay, by using by illegal use of that information. Okay, so here what we are trying to do, we are trying to protect our information, protect our database from the unauthorized user. Okay, so in simple way what we can say that we have to protect your information or our account details by upgrading your password weekly. Okay, antivirus, upgraded antivirus, firewalls. Okay, these are the few techniques, but in upcoming lecture we are going to discuss new tools and new techniques to protect our information from the unauthorized access. Okay, so lack of information security rise to cybercrime. Okay, yes, exactly. If we have not provide any security to your information, okay, so obviously unauthorized user, hacker can easily access our personal information, and in future we are might be the victim of that cybercrime. Cybersecurity means protecting information, equipment, devices, computer resources, communication devices, and information which is stored therein from unauthorized access, which is to be used, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Okay? Cybercrime occupy an important space in information security domain because of their impact. Okay, so what we can say that in last lecture we are already discussed the crime which is to be performed, which is to be happened with the help of cyberspaces, and that have more and more impact on that, what we can say that social impact or personal impact on that individual mind. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the cybercrime and information security. What we conclude over here, we have to protect your information, protect our information database from the unauthorized access. Okay, thank you.